All right, hello everyone, and welcome to this very last episode of the Summer of MakeCode. So for our last project, we're going to be using the Chibitronics Love to Code board. Now for this board, we created some birthday cards for a friend of ours whose birthday is coming up. So Cyan, can you show us your birthday card that you made? Yeah, that's very cool. So it's got lights, it says happy birthday Priscilla. It's got flowers. And if you open it up, can you show us the inside of your card? Yep. So you can see here she's got the Love to Code board, the Chibi chip here, and we did copper tape and we did these LED light stickers, which show through on the card that she's created here. So very cool. All right, Sage, you want to show us your card? All right, yeah, let's show it up to the camera here. Now, can you tell us what this is?
So, do you see those 5 V's thingies?
Mm-hmm. What are those?
Those are birds.
Yeah, and then if you open it up inside, you can see we've got the Chibi chip here, and then we've got it hooked up to some copper tape, and we have programmed the light animation to light up. So I think Priscilla's really gonna like her birthday cards, you guys. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so now I'm gonna show you the materials that you'll need for this project. So all you'll need is some paper. So I've just got some sketching paper here. You'll need some crayons or pens, or we used colored pencils in this case, to create your birthday cards. And then from Chibitronics, you can purchase these LED stickers, and they come in all sorts of colors. There's white, orange, purple, yellow, blue, all sorts of colors. You will need some copper tape. So this is also, they sell, but you can also purchase this on Amazon for fairly cheaply. You will also need this Chibi chip. And so you can also get it including the clip or without the clip. One thing that I highly recommend as well is these fabric patches. So sometimes the copper tape and the Chibi chip don't always connect correctly, or if you tear your copper tape by accident, these are great little patches you can use for that. So that's what you'll need. Chibitronics also sells a really cool Love to Code book. So I love this. It's essentially a kit that includes everything you need. And there's all sorts of exercises and activities you can do. This is the MakeCode edition, so you'll need to purchase that insert to get the MakeCode pages. But it follows Fern the Frog, and Fern tells you everything you need to know about electronic circuits. And there's sort of worksheet activities in here that you can do as well, and fun coloring activities. So here you can color your own characters and things like that, and then light them up with circuits and with code. So that's also a really fun kit. Highly recommend that as well. And to do our project, essentially we just folded a piece of paper in half. We plotted out where we were going to put our lights first, and then based on that we colored what we wanted to show up here on the front of our cards.